Welcome back, friends, with a new big episode of Quiz Falcon. You have to solve 30 general knowledge quizzes in just 10 seconds for each involving easy, medium, and hard level quiz. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon to be updated. Let's start with the easy level quiz. How many bones are in the adult human body? There are 206 bones in the adult human body. What is the largest organ in the human body? The skin is the largest organ in the human body. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond is the hardest natural substance on Earth. What is the pH value of pure water? The pH value of pure water is 7. What is the center of an atom called? The nucleus is the center of an atom. What does DNA stand for? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. What do we call a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction? A catalyst speeds up a chemical reaction. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes is the smallest bone in the human body. What element is represented by the chemical symbol Fe? Fe is the chemical symbol for iron. What organ in the human body is responsible for producing insulin? The pancreas produces insulin. What causes tides in the oceans? Tides are caused by the moon's gravity. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. What is the unit of electrical resistance? The unit of electrical resistance is the ohm. What organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals? The liver is responsible for detoxifying chemicals. What type of cells carry oxygen throughout the body? Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body. What is the chemical formula for salt? The chemical formula for salt is sodium chloride. What type of rock is formed by the accumulation of sediment? Sedimentary rock is formed from the accumulation of sediment. What part of the plant cell contains chlorophyll? Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll in plant cells. What is the phenomenon of bending of light called when it passes through different mediums? The bending of light through different mediums is refraction. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. What element has the highest melting point? Tungsten has the highest melting point of all elements. What is the name of the outermost layer of the Earth? The outermost layer of the Earth is the crust. What is the term for an organism that makes its own food through photosynthesis? An autotroph makes its own food through photosynthesis. Which organelle in the cell is responsible for protein synthesis? The ribosome is responsible for protein synthesis. What is the main element found in organic compounds? Carbon is the main element in organic compounds. Who developed the theory of general relativity? Albert Einstein developed the theory of general relativity. What gas is produced when acids react with metals? Hydrogen gas is produced when acids react with metals. What is the scientific term for animals that are active during the night? Animals active at night are called nocturnal. What type of bond is formed when atoms share electrons? A covalent bond is formed when atoms share electrons. What unit is used to measure the frequency of a wave? Frequency is measured in hertz. What is the term for the movement of water from the roots to the leaves in plants? Water movement in plants from roots to leaves is transpiration. What do we call the effect of greenhouse gases trapping heat in Earth's atmosphere? The trapping of heat by greenhouse gases is called the greenhouse effect. What is the basic unit of heredity in living organisms? A gene is the basic unit of heredity. What is the process by which cells divide to form new cells called? Mitosis is the process by which cells divide. What is the term for the amount of space an object occupies? The space an object occupies is called volume. What scientist is known for the laws of motion and universal gravitation? Isaac Newton is known for the laws of motion and gravity. What part of the atom has a negative charge? Electrons have a negative charge. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The chemical symbol for gold is Au. What does the term biodiversity refer to? Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth. What is the effect of Earth's rotation on the direction of winds and ocean currents called? The Coriolis effect influences wind and ocean current directions. What do we call the science of classifying organisms? Taxonomy is the science of classifying organisms. Thanks for watching. Now pick up your next challenge and hit like and subscribe button. Stay safe and keep learning.